Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. In this video I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please, I recommend for everybody, I request everybody to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, ABS Tech channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you, my friends. My friends, and now the current price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.01511 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Reef Finance. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Reef, so now the last one hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes occur in the Reef Finance is completely positive. Every day I found Reef is in the profit. Reef is in the profit. Everyone can buy Reef Finance. You know what? Now the trading volume of the Reef Finance is increasing very highly, very fastly. Let me show you the price chart of the Reef Finance. My friends, from the price chart, the value of the Reef Finance is clear for everybody. Now that's clear that Reef Finance is a profitable coin in a cryptocurrencies market. So why are you waiting? Just go buy now Reef Finance and make a very huge amount of profit with the Reef Finance. My friends, the update, the analysis is like that the changes occurred in the last 1 week as positive 22.8%. And 0.015471 USD dollar is the highest price of the Reef Finance. And from the price chart, you can see a huge pump from the last 7 days. From the last 7 days, the Reef Finance start pump, and still the Reef Finance is in the pumping mood. So that's why I recommend for everybody that Reef Finance is a good coin for investment. So buy now and invest more and more in the Reef Finance. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.